Now solubility. What is solubility? The solubility of a solute is its amount per unit volume of saturated solution at a specific temperature. Solubility मतलब क्या होता है? Amount of solute per unit volume of saturated solution at a specific temperature. हमने सॉल्वेंट कितना लिया है और उसमें हम सोल्यूट कितने डाल रहे हैं. So that is the amount of solute per unit volume of saturated solution at a specific temperature. That is called as solubility. What is unit of solubility? Yes, moles per liter. One can express solubility in moles per liter, right? So this is about the solubility and it's the unit. फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि हम सोल्यूट सॉल्वेंट में डालते जाते हैं तो सॉल्यूशन बनता है, लेकिन ये जो सॉल्यूशन प्रिपरेशन प्रोसेस होता है इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन सर्टेन फैक्टर्स. सो उसके बारे में जानना भी जरूरी है. सो विच आर द फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग द सोल्युबिलिटी? देयर आर सर्टेन फैक्टर विच अफेक्ट द सोल्युबिलिटी. So first factor that affect the solubility, that is nature of solvent and solute. Yes, of course, both solvent and solute plays important role in order to decide the solubility. Second factor, that is effect of temperature on solubility, and third factor, that is effect of pressure on solubility. So how this factor plays important role in order to decide the solubility? Let's take overview of this. First factor in our study, that is nature of solvent and solute. So how they play important role? Here we represent the solubility depend upon nature of both solvent and solute. Nature मतलब क्या? This another word one can say it is depend upon general rule like dissolve like. Saying that like dissolve like guide the solubility of solute in given solvent. जैसे कि हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं जैसे को तैसा, right? That is the rule called as like dissolve like. So of that generally polar solute dissolve in polar solvent. मतलब हम सोल्यूट अगर पोलर ले रहे हैं तो सॉल्वेंट भी कैसा रहेगा? पोलर. लाइक इज और लाइक बोथ आर इन पोलर स्टेट. सपोज एग्जांपल NaCl in water, right? When we add sodium chloride in water, that dissolve completely. Why? Because sodium chloride, that is solute present in, and that is a polar solute, whereas water is a solvent that is also polar. H plus OH minus. Water is polar. In sodium chloride also same case is there, and A plus and Cl minus. So both are polar. So that is the rule like this or like. If solvent and solute नॉन पोलर है तो भी चलेगा. नॉन पोलर सोल्यूट ऑलवेज डिसॉल्व इन नॉन पोलर सॉल्वेंट. जैसे कि हम बात करेंगे कोलेस्टेरॉल डिसॉल्व इन नॉन पोलर सॉल्वेंट सच एज बेंजीन. कोलेस्टेरॉल that is a solute, non-polar. Benzene, that is one of the organic compound. Benzene is also non-polar. So that is the rule like this or like. If solute is polar, we have to take solvent also in polar, whereas solute is non-polar, we have to take solvent also non-polar. But don't try to mix polar solute in non-polar solvent. That kind of solution generally does not possible. Okay, so that is the case. I mean, this is the point. Solubility depend upon nature of solvent and solute. Here nature की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो nature of solvent and solute, that means they are either they are polar or non-polar. That is our point. Nature of solvent and solute, right? Now next factor responsible for the solution, that is effect of temperature on solubility. So what is effect of temperature on solubility? Generally we observe solubility of solid in liquid increases with increasing temperature. सिंपल केस में अगर फिर से बोलना चाहूँगा, अगर हम शुगर कोल्ड वाटर में डाल रहे हैं, इफ यू ऐड शुगर इन कोल्ड वाटर that dissolve, but that rate is very slow. But what we observe, just keep that solution on gas flame, we observe within a certain minute sugar dissolve completely in water. So that is the common thing. As temperature increases, solubility of solid in liquid also increases. However, it is not true for all solid. There are a lot of processes. In some cases, when solute is added into solvent, that may endothermic. Some processes are exothermic. Endo matlab in that case heat is absorbed. Heat is absorbed. In exothermic heat is evolved. So endothermic process के लिए हाई टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है, एंड एक्सो के लिए ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, राइट. सो जस्ट वैसे कि हम इस पॉइंट में देख रहे हैं, इट इज़ नॉट ट्रू फॉर ऑल द सॉलिड्स. तो क्या बिहेवियर रहता है सॉलिड का, टेम्परेचर का किस तरह से इफेक्ट होता है सोल्यूबिलिटी पे, इसके भी हम जानकारी ले लेते हैं. जस्ट लुक दिस ग्राफ. ओके फ्रेंड्स, इन दिस ग्राफ clearly observe, on y-axis we observe solubility, on x-axis there is a temperature. How solubility related with temperature we observe clearly in this. So from this graph what we come to know, I would like to explain that one by one point. So observe point number first. अभी मैं जिन कंपाउंड्स की बात कर रहा हूँ उनको आप क्लियरली ऑब्जर्व कीजिए. फर्स्ट सोडियम bromide and AbR, second sodium chloride, and third one potassium chloride. So what we observe in this graph, solubilities of substances like sodium bromide, sodium chloride and potassium chloride change slightly with temperature. तो ग्राफ देखिए, ज़्यादा ऊपर की तरफ नहीं गया है, इसका मतलब उनकी solubility तो चेंज हो रही है लेकिन only slightly. Okay, now second group of potassium nitrate, sodium nitrate and potassium bromide, NaNO3, KNO3 and third one KBr. So what we observe, solubilities of these salt like potassium nitrate, sodium nitrate and potassium bromide increases appreciably with temperature. And last case, that is of sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. इसका जो ग्राफ है वो नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है. इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है, एज टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेज सोल्युबिलिटी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर सॉलिड इन लिक्विड डिक्रीजेज. सो दैट्स व्हाई हियर आई सेड solubility increases with increasing temperature, but that is not true for all the substances. Here in this graph we observe for few solid that increases suddenly, there is marginal change for certain solid, and for sodium sulfate that solubility decreases with increasing temperature. That's why we said that is not true for all substances, but in general solubility increases with increasing temperature. Now next factor, effect of pressure on solubility. इफेक्ट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन सोल्युबिलिटी, जैसे कि टेम्परेचर का इफेक्ट होता है सोल्युबिलिटी पे, उसी तरह प्रेशर का भी इफेक्ट रहता है. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इफेक्ट इज देयर इफ solute is in solid or in liquid state? There is no effect of pressure. Pressure has no effect on solubility of liquid and solid because they are incompressible. Pressure is not the property of solid, so there is no effect of pressure on solubility of solid and liquid. However, pressure greatly affect the solubility of gas in liquid. मतलब प्रेशर को अगर हम चेंज करते हैं तो सोल्युबिलिटी गैस की जो है वो लिक्विड में चेंज होती है, बिकॉज gases are compressible and pressure is the main property applicable to the gaseous substances or gaseous molecule. So here we say pressure greatly affect the solubility of gas in liquid. So how is that? क्या होता है एक्चुअली? सोल्युबिलिटी ऑफ गैस इन लिक्विड increases with increasing pressure. As we increase the pressure above the gas, its solubility in liquid also increases. Just try to observe this figure or diagram. In first case, suppose that is a beaker or container that contain liquid. ब्लू कलर में आप देख रहे हैं दैट इज लिक्विड वाटर, एंड जो ब्लैक और रेड कलर के उसमें क्रिस्टल्स दिख रहे हैं, पार्टिकल दिख रहे हैं, दैट इज सपोज गैसियस मॉलिक्यूल. इन फर्स्ट केस द सोल्युबिलिटी ऑफ gaseous molecule in liquid is very very low, but in second डायग्राम क्लियरली ऑब्जर्व, इफ यू इंक्रीज प्रेशर, अगर हम ऊपर की साइड से प्रेशर बढ़ा रहे हैं गैसेस पे, तो क्या होता है, गैस वो जो है वो कॉम्प्रेशन में जाते हैं, कॉम्प्रेस गैसेस आर कॉम्प्रेसिबल. तो जैसे कि हम गैस पे प्रेशर बढ़ा रहे हैं, इट्स सोल्युबिलिटी इन लिक्विड इंक्रीजेस. देखिए वाटर में मोर नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल हमें दिख रहे हैं अभी जो सोल्यूबल हो रहे हैं. मोर गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स आर एट हाई pressure. So what we say, pressure, as we increase pressure above the gas in solution, solubility of gas in liquid increases. So friend, इतना ही काफ़ी नहीं है. There is one quantitative relation. There is one quantitative relation between gas solubility in liquid and pressure. So what kind of quantitative relationship is there? So what is Henry's law? That point we discuss in next lecture. तो आज के लेक्चर में बस इतना ही फ्रेंड. सो जो भी हमने आज पढ़ा क्लियरली उसको रिवाइज कीजिए अच्छे से. दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू.